Welcome everyone. This is an update video on the progress for my Chappy.php framework. So since September, I've been working to add React.js front-end view support, and now I can actually build a JavaScript bundle that is ready for production. So let's begin. So let's open up a terminal in the desktop. Let's type in the full command. So PHP composer create project Chappy-php / Chappy-php my app. So everything is installing. We are at version 1.4.3. So the project has been set up. So now let's open up a new VS Code window. File, open folder, framework. No. Desktop, my app. And now we are in VS Code. Nothing is running here. So let's do a quick test, make sure everything is okay. So PHP console serve. If you're familiar with Laravel, this should be very similar. Now you have the website running, and you can do all your register, login, all that good stuff. So now we need to open up a new terminal tab and then type in the command npm run build dev to start the Vite server. Open up a new terminal tab, and we're going to automatically generate a home view that is React.js based. So PHP console React home. So we go into resources, JS, pages, home. So we're here. Refresh the page. Look in this area. We need to go to controllers first, of course. Switch out the views. So we want to be using the React.js view instead. Refresh. Now we have the key React plus Vite. So let's close this out. So we haven't compiled the bundle yet. So when you do a refresh, nothing happens. So we do a npm run build. Refresh, nothing yet. Go into env. Now we change this to production. When you are deploying to Apache and Nginx, you need to have a /. But for this purpose, we're still using localhost port 8000. Refresh. Now we have a React.js view that has been compiled, and we are ready to test in a production-ish, pre-production environment, so we can make sure that everything works before we actually do the final migration of the app to your Apache or Nginx server. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback, you want to try out the framework yourself, I'll have everything typed out in the description. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.